Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Zenith Academy Online. I am Shahana and today we are on our second part of the chapter Heights and Distances. Now in a previous part we have learned the concept and also solved some questions. Today also we are going to practice some important questions from this chapter. So stay tuned and keep watching. Our first question is, in the given figure from the top of a building AB is equals to 60 meter high. We have been given this figure from the top of a building AB. Now AB is representing a building which is equal to 60 meters. Okay. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a vertical lamp post CD. Now CD is what? It is representing a vertical lamp post, and from this building AB, two angles of depression are forming. One angle is for the top of the lamppost and one angle is for the bottom of the lamppost. These are observed to be 60 degree, 30 degree and 60 degrees respectively. So what we need to find is the horizontal distance between AB and CD. This building AB and this lamppost CD, we need to find the distance between them, that is this points marked BC. And the second part what we need to find is the height of the lamp post. The lamp post is represented by CD, so we need to find the measure of CD. So before starting, let's draw a line parallel to this BC and from the height of from the top of this lamp post. I mark this point as E here, and for our reference let's mark this point also as F. Now if we see clearly, in my previous video, if you remember, I have told you that numerically angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Now here two angles of depression are there, 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So they will be equal to their angle of elevation here. So now see how can we do that. This angle, angle FAC, this whole angle FAC is equal to 60 degrees. So if this is 60 degrees and AF and BC both are horizontals, so what will be its interior alternate angle? This angle. So this will be angle of elevation. Similarly, if we see angle FAD, FAD is equals to 30 degrees. So in the similar manner, if we see here, angle ADE will be equal to 30 degrees also, the angle of elevation. From the top of a building, AB is equals to 60 meter high. This whole AB, that is the length of the building, is given to us as 60 meters. Now what we need to find first? The horizontal distance between AB and CD. What is the horizontal distance between this whole AB and CD? It is BC. So this BC we need to find out. Now let's see how can we do that. If we see clearly this whole triangle ABC, this ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Okay, so AB is the perpendicular and BC is our base. Now we can use the tangent property. So theta value is given to us as 60 degree. So tan 60 degrees will be equal to what? AB upon BC, which is equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 degrees, we know the value is root 3. AB is given to us as 60 and BC we need to find out. So now it is simple, just cross multiply. BC will be equal to what? 60 upon root 3. Now root 3 is in the denominator, so we need to rationalize it. So how can we do that? We can rationalize it by multiplying by root 3. So it will give us the whole number 3. And if we are multiplying root 3 in the denominator, we need to multiply this in the numerator as well, because this is the rule. So now what will be the answer? 60 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 will give us 3. Can we solve it further? Yes. 60 is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 20s are. BC is equals to 20 root 3 meters. Okay, this is the horizontal distance. Horizontal distance between the lamppost and the building was represented by BC, and the answer is 20 root 3. The next question is the height of the lamppost. Height of the lamppost. Lamppost is represented by CD. So this height we need to find. How can we find this height? Now BC I found out as 20 root 3. Now if I see clearly, EBCD is a rectangle. So if BC is 20 root 3, I can mark DE as 20 root 3 as well. And if I need to find CD, I can find BE. So they ultimately we will find out CD. CD will be equal to BE. So now what is this BE? BE is equal to AB minus this AE. This will give us the distance of BE. So AB we have. Now AE we need to find out. So how can we find AE? See, triangle AED. So now again here we can use the tangent property. So tan 30 degrees is equal to AE upon ED, because we know tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So now what is the value of tan 30 degrees? 1 by root 3, and AE we need to find. ED from the figure we have equal to 20 root 3. So now just cross multiply. AE is equals to 20 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. So our answer will be 20 meters. Now this AE we got as 20 meters, and BE we need to find. BE is equals to AB minus AE, and what was AB given to us as 60, AE we found out as 20, so our answer is 40 meters, and hence the height of the lamppost, that is CD, will be equal to 40 meters. Next question is, two people standing on the same side of a tower are in a straight line with it. Measure the angles of elevation of the top of the tower as 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. If this is the tower, we have two people standing in the same direction and watching the top of the tower. So what will be the angle of elevation? This is their line of sight. Now this is his angle of elevation and this is his angle of elevation. They both are given to us as 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. If the height of the tower is 60 meters, the height of this tower is given to us as 60 meters, find the distance between the two people. We need to find this distance. Let's join this, and this is 60 meters. This is the height of the tower given to us. Okay, now what we need to find, let's mark this A, B, this point as C and this point as D. How I mark this angles of elevation? See, why this is 60 and why this is 30. This man, when watching the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 30, and when we move further, gradually the angle of elevation increases. Okay, So that is why I have taken here 30 degrees and here 60 degrees. So CD is actually what we need to find. Now how can we find that? We have two triangles. So first let's take triangle ABD. Now in triangle ABD, this B, angle B is 90 degrees. So again we'll use the tangent property. So tan 30 degrees. AB upon whole BD. What is tan 30 degrees? 1 by root 3, which is equal to AB upon BD. Now AB we have been given as 60 meters. So what will be BD? 60 root 3 meters, cross multiplying. Now we got this whole BD from the next triangle, that is triangle ABC. What we can derive? Again we have this perpendicular and we can find the base BC. So we'll use tangent property only. So here now the value of theta is 60 degree. So tan 60 degrees is equals to AB upon BC. Tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. So AB is given to us as 60. We can find out BC now. So BC will be equal to 60 upon root 3. And as in our previous question, we have rationalized the same term. We can rationalize here also. So 60 divided by root 3 into root 3 into root 3 will do. And what we will get? 20 root 3 meters. Now we have whole BD and we have the value of BC. So we can find out easily the value of CD. CD is equals to whole of this BD minus BC. And BD and BC we have found out. So BD was equals to 60 root 3 and BC was equals to 20 root 3. So take root 3 common and we'll do 60 minus 20. So what it will give? 40 root 3 meters. Easy? Let's solve another question. Now the angle of elevation of the top of a flag post. This is our flag post. The angle of elevation of this top of the flag post from a point on a horizontal plane is found to be 30 degrees. Let's suppose on this horizontal plane a person is standing and from his line of sight the angle of elevation first is found to be 30 degrees. As he walks and as he is walking towards the flag post, the angle of elevation will gradually increase. And so what our question is saying, on walking 6 meters towards the flag post, he is walking towards the flag post, the angle of elevation increases by 15 degrees. Find the height of the flag post. See, this is our horizontal. This is the straight line, the height of the flag post here, and from here, let's suppose this is the angle of elevation. So this angle will be 30 degrees. As he walks 6 meters, so this will be our another angle of elevation, and this is increasing by 15 degrees, means 30 plus 15 will give us 45 degrees. This distance that he walked is given to us as 6 meters. Okay, let's mark the points A, B, C and this is D. Okay, now what we need to find is this height of the flag post. This is triangle. If we take triangle ABC whole, triangle ABC, this angle B is 90 degrees and the angle opposite to it is 30 degrees. Now we need AB and BC. Let's say this is x. Okay, let us suppose the height of this flag post is x. This whole base BC, I mark this as y. So now if I take tan 30 degrees, what it is? X upon y. This is from the property tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So tan 30 degrees is equals to x by y. 1 by root 3 is equals to x by y. So y upon root 3 will be equal to x. Let's say this is our equation 1. Triangle ABD. So see, if this is 6 meters, this BD I can, and whole this BC is y. So for BD I can write this as y minus 6 meters, right? So now let's see how we will use this. Tan 45 degrees is equal to this perpendicular, which is x, AB upon BD is the base. So I'll write y minus 6. This is perpendicular upon base. Please remember. So our perpendicular was x and base we found out as y minus 6. Now what is tan 45 degrees? 1 is equals to x upon y minus 6. So this implies y minus 6 is equal to x. Let us suppose this is equation 2. Now in equation 1 we have value of x is equals to y by root 3. So we can put this here in equation 2. So x is equals to y minus 6 is equals to, the value of x is y by root 3. So now multiply root 3 here. Root 3 into y minus 6 is equals to y. Now open the bracket, multiply y root 3 minus 6 root 3 is equal to y, is equals to y. So now shifting on the other side, y root 3 minus y is equal to 6 root 3. Take y common. Root 3 minus 1 is equals to 6 root 3. Y equal to 6 root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. Now what we need to find was the height of this flag post, that is x. Value of x was y by root 3 as in equation 1. So x is equals to 6 root 3 upon root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Now how will we solve it? This root 3 will go to the denominator. So root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. Our answer will be 6 upon root 3 minus 1 meters. X is equals to. So the height of the flag post is 6 upon root 3 minus 1 meters. Moving on to our next question. A vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level ground. See, on the same ground, there is a vertical pole and this is a vertical tower. From the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. Now from this top, the top of the tower, the angle of elevation. So first we need the horizontal line, and this angle of elevation is given to us as 60 degree, and from this top only the angle of depression of the bottom of the tower, the foot of the tower, is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower if the height of the pole is 20 meters. This angle is given to us as 60 degrees and the angle of depression is given to us as 30 degrees. The height of this pole is given to us as 20 meters. And what we need to find? This height of the tower. Now, let's mark A, B, C. I show you the diagram, how we will draw it in exam. C. So, let's mark these points A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So, this angle CBE is 30 degrees. This is our angle of depression. Our angle of elevation will be equal. Okay. So, now for this triangle, triangle BDE, what we have? BD, which is the perpendicular, and DE, the base we need to find out. So, again tan 30 degrees is equals to BD upon DE. So, 1 by root 3 is equal to BD, which is equal to 20 upon DE. So, now what will the DE be? DE be 20 root 3 meters. Okay. DE we found out as 20 root 3. 20 root 3. Now, if BE is 20 root 3, same way BC will be equal to 20 root 3. So, this BC is equal to 20 root 3. Now, if we have this base BC, we can find AC. So, how we will find AC? In triangle ABC, what we have? Tan 60 degrees is equal to AC upon the base BC. Tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3 and AC we need to find. The value of BC is 20 root 3. So, what will be the value of AC? 20 root 3 into root 3 will give us 20 into 3, which is equals to 60 meters. Now, we found out AC and we need to find this whole value of AE. Okay, D and CE will also be equal. So, this will also be equal to 20 meters, right? Now, this is 60 meter we found out and this is 20 meters. So, now AE is easy. AE is what? AC plus CE. So, our AC is we found out as 60 meters plus CE is equal to 20 meters. Our answer will be 80 meters. So, the height of the tower is 80 meters. Our last question is an airplane flying horizontally 1 kilometer above the ground. This is a ground and an airplane is flying 1 kilometer above and going away from the observer. So, let's suppose on this ground, here it is the observer and it is going away from the observer. First, it is at an elevation of 60 degrees. The question is saying an airplane flying horizontally 1 kilometer above the ground and going away from the observer is observed at an elevation of 60 degrees. So, first it is observed at an elevation of 60 degrees. After 10 seconds it has moved forward and its elevation is observed to be 30 degrees. Find the uniform speed of the airplane in kilometer per hour. Now here we need to find the speed. So how can we find the speed? We know speed is equals to distance upon time. And what is distance? Speed into time. Now, for finding speed, we first need to find the distance. Time we have been given is 10 seconds and airplane has moved forward from here to here. So, this distance we need to find out. So, first let's mark Let's suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, here it is D and it is E. Now AC is this is perpendicular and 90 degree, DE is perpendicular and angle E is 90 degree. What we need to find? We need to find the distance of CE. So let's suppose our speed is x meter per second and time is given to us as 10 seconds. So our distance will be what? 10x meters, right? This will be, please be careful about the units. This distance will be equal to 10x meters. So our CE will be equal to 10x. Now, how can we find this? Let's first mark the angles of elevation. First it was 60 degrees. As it moved forward, it changed to 30 degrees. Now, see, first, also this AC is 1000 meters. It was given to us as 1 kilometer flying above. So we can convert this into meters as 1000 meters. And this was also 1000 meters. Okay. Now, triangle AB, for triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is equal to AC upon BC, the perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 degree is equals to root 3. AC is given to us as 1000 upon BC. So what will be BC? 1000 upon root 3. Okay. So this BC is 1000 upon root 3. In the same way, we have triangle BDE. So triangle BDE, we have 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is equal to this DE upon this whole BE. Now what is tan 30 degrees? 1 upon root 3. So this is DE upon BE. What will be BE? DE we know is equal to 1000 meters from the figure. So 1000 into cross multiplying this root 3 on this side. So we'll get 1000 root 3 as BE. This whole BE is 1000 into root 3. Now what we need to find this value of x. So our CE is 10x. So if we do BE minus BC, we'll get CE. Let's write this here. Value of CE is equal to this whole BE minus BC. So CE is what? 10x. E whole is 1000 root 3. Minus this BC we found out as 1000 upon root 3. So now tan x is equals to, let's take 1000 common here. Solving will be easier. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Now what we can do? We can take the LCM and solve. So tan x is equals to 1000. When we take the LCM as root 3, what we'll do? We'll multiply here. So root 3 into root 3 will give us 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 by root 3. Value of 2 by root 3 will be provided to you in the question. So here I am taking the value of 2 by root 3 as 1.1547. what will be our x is equals to 1000 into 1.1547 divided by 10. So our x will be equal to 115.47 meter per second. What we'll do, we'll multiply our answer by 18 by 5 because this is how we convert it into kilometers per hour, into 18 by 5, which is equal to 415.69 kilometer per hour. This is our answer. So this is how we find out the distance, time, speed, etc. in these type of questions. So this was all for our today's session. We have completed almost all types of questions in these two videos. Please do watch it thoroughly, and if you have any doubts or any problem solving these questions, please do let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Keep the learning on.